Hello friends, today we are going to learn about basic of Excel sheet or spreadsheet. So today we will see some basic things like sorting of data, finding duplicate values, and some arithmetic operations like addition, multiplication, filtering the data. So let's move to spreadsheet and we'll start with the sorting of data. So here I have taken one simple data set, employee data set, and I'll perform all operations that I have mentioned here. So first we will start with the sorting this data. So I'll select this data, and if I have to sort it, I'll just click on sort button. I'll click on descending, continue with the current selection and sort. So you can see this data is sorted in descending order alphabetically. Next we will see how to find duplicate values or highlight duplicate values in spreadsheet. So I'll again select this column, then we'll go to conditional formatting. Then I just have to highlight duplicate values with some color. So I'll select dark red color or yellow color, and I'll click OK. So you can see duplicate values are highlighted in yellow color. Next we will see how to do arithmetical operations. So consider I'm creating a new column result here. So whenever you have to apply or do any arithmetical operation or create any formula in Excel sheet, it always starts with is equal to sign. So I'll press is equal to, then we'll give two parentheses, and in this parenthesis I have to do the operations. So I'll select first column 1000, addition sign, then click second column and click enter. So it will show addition of these two columns, 1000 plus 4000 is equal to 5000. And if you have to apply the same formula to all rows, then you just have to drag and drop this formula. So it will show some of the columns, respective columns here. Next we will see how to filter data. So if you have to apply filter to any column, just click on that column, and you have a filter sign here. Click on the filter sign and you can see filters are applied. So you can click and search any option. Like if you have to see data for Vikas, then just search Vikas and click OK. It will show you a record for Vikas. Thanks for watching.